Hi guys, this is Rafa from Brazil, striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today is April 5, 2021. Today is Monday, and well, we are launching our week, another week, and we have a very a very consolidation week. Uh, the last week was pre-NFP that happened on Friday. Uh, uh, and I pretty much think that market was just consolidating, and we don't have many interesting opportunities. Although, well, I have posted in my last videos 3 entries that I had, and they bothly happened to be positive ones. The first one was this AUD USD. Uh, yes, it was some place around here, and it reached my take profit. I'll show you here. Okay, here we go. Just let me add that. Look at that. This is the AUD USD trade I was talking about. Can you see that? Okay, it reached my take profit here at 0.76358. And I pretty much think that it was a very clean entry that we could understand correctly and precisely what happened to our trade. And it was beautiful because it reaches here, touched our take profit, and then we had a pullback. Look at that. And today price just reestablished to keep the uptrend. Okay, so my last video was talking about trading with the trend, and that's exactly what happens. So the other trade was NZD USD, and you can see here turned out to be a good trade as well. Look at that, 420 euros, which was a great trade, and it followed the same situation. Look at that, a very clean entry here. Okay, positive. Stop loss over here, 56 pips, 1-to-1 with ratio. So 56 pips was around here. Okay, and look, price still going up. Okay, right now we have this green short-term trend with a green long-term trend. This green long-term trend, it's not already done, because we have to wait for this to consolidate and become or green or red. Okay, I could have been out of this trade on my take profit. And why did I quit? Why did I let the price hit my take profit? Well, simple reasons. Uh, in simplicity trade, we have good opportunities to let the trade run in, or let the trade hit our take profit that was planned before. And how do I do that? It's very simple. I just observe the price action at the moment. If it is not combined with my previously entry, which was a green signal with green short-term trend, green long-term trend, if it is not suitable, I let the price hit my take profit. Okay, but if it was a green long-term moment and a green short-term moment, I would close half of my profit. I would have closed half of my profit and let the other part of the profit runs. Okay, that's how you maximize your profits. Okay, especially using simplicity. Okay, you have to observe market conditions. You have to analyze how market structure are behaving. Look at that. In this trade, we was on a clean up movement. Okay, that was precisely identified by our system. Okay, and it was a very clean entry, but I didn't let the price continues in my favor, because I had information from my system that maybe right now we had a sell movement. Okay, Okay, it reaches here. Look now it's have rearranged because this red rectangle, they are Fibonacci level, so they have rearranged right in front of you. You have watched that because we have reached right now another hour, okay, another candle. It still is going up. You will probably be testing this roof of this red rectangle, this resistance here, and then probably it will try to continue, but before it will test this trend line, okay? But again, Rafa, why did you close your trend? Because the conditions of the market, by the time that price action uh, uh, was hitting my take profit, wasn't aligned with my conditions of entry, okay? If I have a green long-term trend and a green short-term trend, yes, as I have here right now, okay? Yes, I would have closed half of my profit, half of my lot size, and let the other lot size runs, okay? Well, the other trade that I was in my last video was Euro USD trade. And here we have very different conditions. Look at that. Oh my God, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. In fact, I'm going to close this trade right in front of you, okay? 45 pips. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look, my conditions of entry was really clean that right now. I have entry in this, wasn't in this arrow because it had a red short-term trend. So I entered around here, okay? As soon as price conditions have reset. So I have the 30 pips stop loss for a 30 pips take profit, okay? So I have another re-entry even with this setup against me. I kept my trade valid. Why, Rafa? Even if you have this opposing you, yes. Why do I do that? Because I know that the trend was going up. Okay? I was stick to my last plan. If trade didn't hit my take profit or didn't hit my stop loss, I stick to the plan. Okay? That's what I do. That's what I do. So I'm doing this right now in front of you. I'm closing this trade right now. And that's it. Money in my pocket. Okay? So guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. I'm in another trade here, Euro JPY. It was a kind of late entry. Okay, it was a late entry. I was supposed to enter the trade around here. Okay, it was everything perfectly aligned for that. Look at that, a sell signal, a sell short-term trend, sell long-term trend, but I didn't. I wasn't trade Sunday evening, so I got in the trade around where was it? It was around here. Let me see. Let me see. Around here. Yeah, around here. So it was a late entry. Okay, so uh, let's see what happens. Okay, I wouldn't advise you to get in the trade right now. Why, Rafa? Well, because the conditions are not set for you to enter right now. What are the conditions? Very simple. The same that made you enter the trade. Sell signal, sell short-term trend, sell long-term trend, and everything is aligned, 1% risk ratio, and then we set the trade, okay? You should wait for this bar to become red. As soon as it became red, okay, you're good to go, okay? Well, that's it, guys. Very, very interesting week. I was very surprised about my tradings, and I pretty much think that I am patient. Right now, I can be a professional. I can call myself a professional because I have patience to let the price hit my take profit. I had the discipline to, even when market conditions are not in my favor, I have the discipline to stay in my plan, to stay in the trade that I was, okay? And if the price hit my stop loss, there is no problem, okay? Because I followed my plan, and that should be enough for you to understand that you are doing that correctly. And above all, I can feel myself a professional because I do not risk more than 1%. 2 or 1%. I do not risk that. So I can consider myself a professional because I am disciplined, I am patient, and I am diligent. I have the confidence enough to trust the system, and this system works. This beautiful system really, really, really works. Okay? That's why I can call myself a professional. And I pretty much think that you will call yourself a professional not when you see money flowing into your account. No, because that's a consequence of the plan. It's a consequence. Okay? It's a consequence of being disciplined, being patient, being diligent and confident. Okay? The consequence of that is, of course, money in your bank. Because in this forex market, you can put money on your bank, money on your pocket, but if you were not disciplined, if you did not follow a plan of trading, if you did not register on your log all the trades that you were in, man, one time or another, market will hit you and will hit you badly. So you can call yourself a professional again, and for the last time, when you are disciplined enough to stick with your plan, and I did it over here. You are professional when you risk just 1% of your account and you stays on the game even when things are not going as planned. And you can call yourself a professional when you have the patience to let price reestablish itself and goes in your favor. Okay? That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. This is very important for me, very important for all traders out there. It's good information I'm posting here. I'm skiing the game, okay? This is pretty much my account that I'm trading with. And the system is fantastic, okay? I pretty much think that the search is over. Right now, this is an absolutely assertive trading system, very effective trading system. So if you would like to join our family, please hit the link below on the description area and make part of our beautiful Super Easy family. Okay? If you need further assistance, if you already have the system, you need further assistance, please send me an email. And if you'd like to join my Telegram group, my Signal channel group, there is a small fee. Click the link button or send me an email. Thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned. More videos to come this week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.